In this video, we'll fill the coolant tank and purge air from the system. Start by pouring coolant into the tank. You'll see it draining quickly at first, but keep adding until the level stops dropping. The system will self-purge as the engine runs, but you can speed it up with compressed air. Disconnect the overflow line and place it in a clear bottle. Use the overflow port on the tank to pressurize the system. Add just a few psi to push coolant through and purge air. Top off the tank as needed. Continue until you see a steady stream of coolant in the bottle. More air will be released during the first start and early drives, so leave the tank slightly overfilled. You'll need to keep an eye on the level and top off as needed. Finish up by reconnecting the overflow hose.